Once you're logged in, head to the homepage, click on Pricing, and choose the unlimited plan. Choose the plan duration you need, then select the bandwidth, 200, 300, or 400 megabits per second, from the drop-down menu. Click Buy Now. We'll skip the payment process in this video. Go to the dashboard and choose the unlimited plan. Once purchased, the plan requires manual activation. This is designed to protect your usage rights, allowing you to choose the plan start time. You can activate any one of your inactive plans. However, only one unlimited plan is allowed to be active at the same time. Click Activate Now, then pick one of your inactive unlimited plans to activate. Afterwards, you can click Close. The activation will continue in the background without interruption, usually taking about 30 seconds. You can monitor the progress via the status indicator in the top right corner, which will initially show being deployed. Once the server has been allocated and started, the IP address of your dedicated proxy will be displayed, and the system will proceed with the proxy setup process. For security, the unlimited plan only supports username and password authentication. You can select the country, we support 200 countries, and choose either rotating mode, which switches IP with each request, or sticky session mode, which can be set from 1 to 180 minutes. Your unlimited plan account is automatically assigned by the system and cannot be created by you. After setting these parameters, you can see your proxy information in the proxy list on the right side. After all steps are complete, the status will show Ready to Use, and the expiration time of your plan will also be displayed. To test the proxy, go to API Examples, and click on curl. This will generate your test command. Copy it. Note, this proxy is intended for use outside mainland China. You can then paste this command into Command Prompt, Windows, Terminal, Mac/Linux, or any other shell environment to run it. This allows you to check details like the exit IP's geolocation.